And when I say gang, I mean G A I N. Everything just went red. Turn me up. Turn me up. Everything just went red. Somebody in trouble, Memphis. I told Jizzle he could take his mask off. He told Kenny ain't no way. Not yet. Y'all see the product tag. Everybody be asking me about where I get the mask from. It's tagged in the comment, gang. Yeah. Everything just went red. Turn my lights up. Cause see, I told y'all this ain't no fairy tale. This ain't no tale to be told. But today wasn't a good day, gang. And if you in the streets, today was not a good day for Memphis streets. The minutes just stamped somebody, gang. The menace. But we finna talk about it. Lit that like button. Sub to this pettiness. And to my day ones. Y'all know I got y'all to the last day. And to all my new subs and subscribers, lit that like button, sub to this pettiness, and to my day ones, y'all know I got y'all to the last day. No, I had to say it twice just to make it nice, gang. Cause we might have been born last night, but we stayed up all night. Long live man. Long live Dre B. And long live the flipper man. I tried to tell y'all. Everything I say is a legend. And you can find that in the Fair Use Act in the description of this video and all of my videos. This video is covered by the Fair Use Act. This video is for educational purposes only. And is used to educate my people on what we are covering with no, and I mean with no malicious intent, only to educate my people on what we are covering in the daily news. Somebody in trouble, guys. See, y'all just don't know the severity of a lot of stuff that goes on and frustration that people will take out on other people because oh, y'all thought I was froze. Turn my lights up. Cause this one finna be cold. Turn my lights up. CEO Jizzle. Take a shot with me, guy. Take a shot with me. The menace. Mr. Been standing on business. Mr. Master. We would say number one on our side. See, I've been told y'all a lot of stuff that y'all hear in this case. Like all the stuff Jizzle and a lot of other people, B.O. Kenny and Stupid Duke and Kenny Money and a lot of the top shotter shooters throughout this case. And I'm talking about all the way back to scratch off. Turn my lights up, gang. Cause everything just got red. And see, I told y'all paper route been very, very quiet since that bus, gang. Cause we still got the FedEx farm stuff. We still got the big jug CEO teasy stuff. See, there's a lot of stuff trying to be pinned on us, so we took some shade to get some lemonade. Because to any other real street ninja or any guy, you know, a lot of the justice that we needed to be done, I've been told y'all, had already been done. But see, for some reason, I was trying to get something stressed off. And they told me I was rich now. But for some reason, I knew not to take that damn mask off. See, shit just went red. See, CEO Jizzle, the menace is in and around this case. Mr. Stamp That, Mr. Scratch Out, Mr. Put his foot inside of King Gates on foot. Mr. I took a shot at the FedEx farm. Mr. Mac and Cheese. See, y'all thought I froze. See, I say that to say this, gang. Jizzle has been one of the most respected, one of the most vocal, one of the most I don't give a is Adolph Thornton paper route entertainment till I leave. Causing and putting threat on anybody that was inside this case, around this case, and through this case. She just got read. And I keep telling y'all, this is not an ordinary case, guys. See, it's a lot of bullshit in a lot of the other cases, man. But this one case here is very different. The bullshit don't last long. And if it do, in the end, a lot of these people still may want answers. See, y'all turn me up, man. This is not a fairy tale, guys. See, everything just went red again because it was all blue. Have you not noticed since Juke everything been blue? See, now they got blood back in their eyes, guys. Now there's blood back in people's eyes, guys. People are now stamping stuff that they never would have put out there publicly. They haven't done it through the case. They haven't done it in the case. Hell, they have not even done it for their own case. Meaning like the FedEx form. No news articles. No nothing. And we know how street the menace is. We don't share no Fox. We don't share no police. We just trying to get somebody stressed out, man. Somebody in trouble, man. Somebody in trouble. Take a shot with me, guy. Oh, yeah, we finna go there. Take a shot with me. Because, see, y'all don't understand. The real story is better than a fairy tale. See, Jizzle lost his significant other, gang. And when I say his significant other, I mean his child mother. It's coming up to be her anniversary of the day that she left. Everything just turned red. Don't y'all know he understands how Maya J feels? To have a child who's lost their significant other. Don't you know the love for Dolph and the love he had for Maya J? It's been stamped. Don't you know the pain every time she had to speak out? Paper out in the streets may feel the blame. Because their job is to make sure so now I guess we're going to question Jizzle. Now I guess Jizzle credibility going to be questioned. Because I can guarantee you Jizzle wouldn't have stamped it if it was any other route besides paper route. And when I say stamp it, go to his Instagram, guys. We know how Jizzle rocks. We know this. We know this. It ain't no po-po, no fo-fo, no phony, no low-lows, no none in his resume. He been stand up since day one, paper route, no flaws at all. Even allegedly, one of the biggest in the case. Get backs in the case. Ooh, that ninja smoking. But today, everything turned red. Jizzle shared Maya J post, gang. Don't be surprised. See, you don't know pay attention. In certain ways, the devil cries out, gang. And you really don't want to make the demon share something like this.
As young Dolph, and to this day, no one has been sentenced in his death, even though one of the suspects has already pled guilty. It's been almost 1 year since Jamarcus Johnson pleaded guilty to 3 counts of accessory after the fact. Prosecutors say Johnson was not involved in the shooting or the planning, but did assist his half-brother, Justin Johnson, escape after the shooting. At the time, the judge said the charges would bring a sentence of 6 to 12 years. And according to court records, Johnson bonded out the same day he entered the guilty plea and has been out awaiting his sentencing. Johnson was scheduled to appear in court this Wednesday morning, but his appearance was reset because Division 10 Judge Jennifer Mitchell was out for the day. According to the Shelby County Criminal Justice Portal, Johnson was supposed to have a hearing to discuss a petition to suspend his sentence. We reached out to his attorney, who says his client's case will continue to be reset until the trial ends. However, the exact date of the trial is still in the air. Justin Johnson and Cornelius Smith, the men accused of pulling the trigger, were initially set for trial next month, but it was rescheduled. Court documents say both parties want more time for expert testimony and hearing before the trial. Also out on bond is Hernandez Govan, who's accused of being the mastermind behind the killing. The resets and delays come as another disappointment to Dolph's loved ones.
Not holding one another accountable for the lives that are being taken senselessly, violently.
In a recent statement, the DA's office said, quote, while the frustration is understandable, these complexities in the criminal justice process must be addressed to ensure the integrity of the case. Reporting from 201 Poplar for your news leader, Cornichel Wilborn, WREG News Channel 3. Rolled Adolph Thornton Jr., better known.
You heard what I said? I said Jizzle shared that post with that exact on his timeline. The man who don't believe in nothing Maya was saying about bags and bodies. Shit just turned red. Take a shot. Give him light or flying. Go look on his timeline. Go look on the timeline. Go check the timeline out. So do judges get reprimanded for not showing up for court without providing so do judges. Take a shot with me. Because, see, this is the biggest factor that a lot of cover-up act like they don't see. So do the judges get reprimanded for not showing up for work without providing a reason? Curious. So do the judges get reprimanded for not showing up for work without providing a reason? Curious. Now, CEO Jizzle shared that post. The menace. See, it turns everything red, gang. When you supposed to be done took your mask off, because everything that needs to be done have been done. But when you're doing something totally for love, turn my lights up. 17 lights, 66 people. We ain't worrying about it though. Because I told y'all, can't move too fast. You can't make a fairy tale like this tale. Because see, now that Jizzle done stamped it, you can't question Jizzle. No way, no how. Because see, sometimes when you not done what you supposed to do, and the hurt in them eyes, and the speaking out come to the plies, And a lot of people like Glock, Fields, and a lot of them boy daddy-o really can't speak out. I don't know why everybody want them to. But let's be for real. What they gonna say? Bags and bodies? We trying to get somebody scratched out? We gonna spend a gain and ain't no public nothing. Maybe after the case over. But it's too much hurt in the air. And when you do it for the love of Dolph, it's for to make sure them tree. Say it again, them tree. That tree don't have no words, no feelings about it. Shouldn't even have to be doing what she doing. Watch what I tell you. Watch what I tell you. Oh, I hate y'all be playing with the case like this, gang. I really do hate y'all be playing with this case like this. See, one thing about paper route game, no matter if you don't like their raps, no matter if you think they got something to do with whatever, it's one thing y'all are all forgetting. See, you thought I was froze. No, this one gonna be important. Don't let this one go over your head. Come look. See what I did? If I sacrifice myself, will I go to? Don't y'all know them boys ain't scared to go? See, that's the threat that y'all know paper route. See, we look up to that. He left for that. We don't care nothing about that either. That's one thing all y'all forget. Each one of them will leave for that. And no question about it. All the haters even know this. Every one of them will go for that. You can call Glock whatever, yellow, scary, whatever. You put him in a situation for Dolph, he gonna go. Not saying he gonna go. Still, whatever y'all want to say or whoever. But I guarantee he ready to go. The homie did. None of them ain't scared of that. That's why they such a threat. Not one of them. From Moochie to Snoop To fizzle? Why you think they move the way they move? I don't give a damn about that. For what? And see, Dolph knew that. Dolph knew it was gonna set a fire, and them boys couldn't nobody stop. Cause every time it was a slip up, you get lazy. It seems like somebody ain't showing up to court. Cause if you ain't showing to court for a petition for Marcus to get his. So I wonder, do you get reprimanded? Cause Judge Coffee did. I wonder why you didn't show up for that petition, because was it supposed to be there? But then you're saying that he ain't supposed to go to trial to after trial. But we got a whole lot of trials. We got a whole lot of trials. But it's still something y'all need some experts to look at. To keep the integrity of the case. Told somebody working. Somebody got to get some more expert opinion, get some more expert something. But Judge Mitchell ain't show up. And that's the biggest thing everybody should be talking about. You been here all this time, and nobody still don't want to admit to showing up for work without providing a reason. How am I to know you didn't provide a reason? This made the street niggas come out, gang. The minute just stamped Maya J. post. The minutes ain't with no po-pos. The minutes ain't with no bullshit, bags, bodies trying to get them scratched off. It's some more hurt just came out again today, gang. And see, if you really, really in the streets of Memphis, you know what's going on. Whole lot of money being moved around, gang. Only way you don't show with no excuse, either you or somebody paid their way. Something very valuable not to be able to tell, gang. See, y'all ain't understanding that this gonna get so big, it's an undercover everything. Nobody can be notified. Nobody can even know nothing about the case. Not even. Because see, if the feds was working and it wasn't so big, she wouldn't have to be doing what she doing. And we know they there. We know they there. DA, DOJ, Court of Criminal Appeal. We already know y'all there. Only people that still want all this trauma and drama to still go on are financial gain. Or the people who are involved who are still scrambling and scraping. Because see, in CEO Jizzle eyes, the menace, every day that this goes past and more hurt, it's leading into more scratch-offs. I missed that tick, I gotta hit again. See, y'all just don't know if they wrap this up, gang. It's still gonna be some stuff going on. But it'll be took out of the publicity. It's a financial gain. Y'all understand? It's all in the public eyes. Nothing else about the FedEx. Nothing else about TZ, Juke. But you got no real red eyes sharing that post, gang. See, Jizzle know that pain, gang, of holding that child and that mother is gone. Being there on them birthdays when that other significant other ain't there. Hearing them cry about that significant other and trying to tell them everything is gonna be okay. See, today Mill was in a rut. So that tree household was in a rut. Them kids old enough now. They can type their daddy name in YouTube. And they pray. So I can guarantee you they've been praying all day. If you notice, Paper Rock been quiet pretty much the whole day. I guarantee his new music finna drop. Cause I don't drop till something drop. She shouldn't be doing it. She shouldn't have to do it. And when she do, that's the reason why I ain't take this mask off. Cause PRE got me where I be. Somebody in trouble, guys. And I know this. He don't share stuff like that, girl. He don't get himself involved in stuff like that. No, don't do if you notice. Everything just went red. And see, if you know Kenny, he got a real deal soft spot for shit like this. Like, Kenny really went in the bathroom and probably really, if you really know Kenny, he not with this. He cried probably. You don't want to see that boy cry. Glock probably cried. You heard in this song, The Greatness. You act like I ain't the reaper. But that's cool, though. Take the last shot with me. Well, footprints up there, boy. Jizzle stamped that. And for 3 years, if we can say, whenever, whoever, however the spinning started for Dolph, we got to respect him or check it. There's a lot of fake people in them other cases. There was a lot of fake stuff added to the case. But I don't think you want to play with the case. I guarantee you it ain't another case with this many bodies in it. Not Vons. Nobody. They tired, gang. They want her to have peace. At that point, the real streets, give her a fall guy, whatever y'all need to give her to make her happy. We know what's real. Three for one. In the words of B.O. Lil Kenny. And he ain't even dropped this one with yet. He say, smoking OG. Nah, I don't smoke, but I really smoked your OG. Wait till it drop. See, in the streets, you can only give him a fall guy. Unless you go get the last one. But in the streets, we tired of seeing the pain on them kids. Give him some kind of public justice. And I promise, this case so real. It's still a list. It's guaranteed to be scratched on. AOGG, I don't care if they go slow. They gotta go. I put that on Big Bro. So it don't matter. Daddy, bring that shit out. We trying to get somebody scratched off. But pushing her through this, only pushing this through the roof. Cause see, them young niggas been ready to send some scouter showers. And y'all giving them a reason to. Like, don't y'all know the menace could be promoting his own justice, his own lawsuit? But he trying to figure out why y'all doing that to me and dog. This gonna get real ugly, man. Because see, the other side already fighting with they self. Now you making a mockery out of our side. Prisons finna be turned up. Streets finna be turned up. The industry finna be turned up. The I winning game. Chaos and confusion everywhere. Everything done turned red on both sides. We want bags and bodies. And the list got to be scratched off. Because we feel like the job ain't done. Because the queen still want ounce. And if Dolph was here, she should have to want no ounce. I've been saying for the last couple days, guys, somebody got to go. And they just stamped. I don't know if they trying to set one of us up. But it really don't matter to us. Boots back on the ground, okay? But see, it's so crazy that now it's gonna turn into Mission Impossible for us. Because the players that Mill probably will want, it's gonna be real hard. It's gonna be real hard. But y'all forgot. We got James Bond, and it always have been a 007 in this case. We got Mr. James Bond. If for some reason it always have been a 007. Somebody in trouble. I am dropped to something else drop. Guarantee you some music soon to drop. Now this mission may be impossible. This mission may just be impossible. Long live the flipper mind. To the very last prayer. Ari Trey in that tree. Hold strong, gang. Everything just turned red. This gonna be a mission impossible. But the flipper only know what was possible. Golden eye. You got to go. Only way the pain and the hurt stop. 007 mission impossible. The only way. The only way, Mia, may lay in peace. So we thought smoking our OG. BEO say, nah, I don't smoke, but we smoked the OG. Might would have bought some peace. But if you know BEO in town now, he in Memphis right now, booking features. So everybody pull up for that 10 and thank you, Jude. Mighty crazy, everybody in Memphis today. No police escorts. No presidential escort, no bodyguards. Jizzle was in Memphis. BEO in Memphis. On this day. I know this ain't what you wanted, gang. But we ain't seeing Trey and Ari them keep stressing, gang. And we feel like the only people she would feel at rest with is the only people y'all ain't really. That's why it's gonna honey. You know it. That's the only way you're gonna be able to stop them tears. She is blaming you. Jealousy, ego, industry. So our wishes got to be fulfilled. Out of love. 26 likes, 88 people. Mission might be impossible. One thing about CEO Jizzle? Once he stamped that, it's a long history of AOGG in front of that same house. Scratch off with that white G. Just subliminals. See, I don't want to go back to show y'all. But if you look at the time stamps, that was around the time they were really playing tricks in that court. She wasn't allegedly speaking out. But the streets knew without a doubt. Go back and look. Look at around the time, Juke, what was going on. Get around the time, teasing. Y'all gotta pay attention. It's certain stuff that set fire to a heart. Why y'all think the emoji is the burning heart now? Not the flame, not the lit emoji no more. Because see, we did this out of love, but it was so much going on, demonetizing, striking, that it set our heart on fire. Cause we never did nothing damn. But like Big Homie, damn sure ain't going nowhere. And if we do, we coming to see you. See, gang, I ain't gonna say no more. Jizzle. Real niche. I told you to take your mask off. My bad. Everything red. Mom. Big B. Everything just went back red. Man, we were really chilling, man. No more diss songs, really. Nah. Everything just went back red. Never would expect him to stamp that, did ya? Now, question Jizzle loyalty for that PRE. Long live the flipper mine to the very last prayer. Stamp that tree. PRE. And we out.